Can I homeschool my child if I am not good at maths or other subjects? Absolutely. Who knows your child better than you do? And who loves your child better than you do? You want the best for your child, and you are willing to support him without getting paid. So you are the best person for the job. Teachers in school are trained to teach mass amounts of students in a classroom setting, and that is not what you're doing. As long as you've started with setting a goal, you can use that as a guide to teach what you can and get help filling in the areas that you can't teach. There are tons of programs available online and some in person which work along with homeschool children. In fact, many parents usually find teaching higher level topics difficult and want to outsource that anyway. For example, maths and English and modern languages. In that instance, you'll be acting as a facilitator for your child's education. You do not have to limit what your child learns based on what you know. As long as you recognize your weak areas, you can find solutions to fill in the gaps. Solutions like online classes, in-person homeschool lessons, etc.